Hey friends, this is Haider from Bitvero Digital Marketing Company, and today our topic is reporting and analytics. This is one of the most underrated topic. Trust me, most of the website owners just don't care about this topic or not sure when actually they have seen their reporting and analytics and when actually last time they discussed this topic with their website development company. But trust me, if you'll be going to ponder over this video, you will get loads of good information with which, and if you will apply that information to your website, then it will be going to help you a lot. Let's start the video. Friends, reporting and analytics tool is been provided by Google, and again that is for free, and the tool name is Google Analytics. You do not have to do anything, just open www.google.analytics.com and you will see the analytics screen. In that you will have to sign up. Actually, I will tell you the full process on how to sign up and what exactly the steps are there and to perform so that you can have analytics installed in your website properly. Now let's discuss the important aspect, and the first and most important thing is what is the value, why you need analytics. Look, so many visitors are coming to your website, they are spending time on your website, they are exiting from your website. In between all this, they are converting or not converting, what actually they are doing on your website. These things are quite very important, and Google is recording all these things in the background, but only and only if you have installed that origin code, that analytics code, which Google provides for free, of course, in your website, and that again properly. So if you are typically interested in knowing who is coming to your website and from which location your audience is coming, what is the age of your audience, whether they are male or female or transgender or what, and how much time they have spent on your website, this is just an important metric. Why they exit, what is the reason for their bounce rate, and where exactly they are going in your website, where exactly they are spending time on your website. Are they converting, whoever is coming on your website, are they converting into customers, are they calling you, or are they bouncing from your websites, which channels they are coming from, either direct channels, social channels, and organic channels, and then where exactly they are opening on the desktop or mobile. All of these of your queries you will find only and only if you will be going to install Google Analytics and keen to have your reporting with this tool. And trust me, this is very very important, because for those of you who are already doing digital marketing and not pondering on this thing, then please go and discuss with your digital marketing company. If at all they are providing you analytics, if at all they are providing you consultancy, if at all they are providing you reporting on analytics, that is super duper important for you. That metric will be going to give your business two folds, and then trust me, two folds. Yes. We will open analytics.google.com, and next Google will ask you to log in. If you are already logged in, then you will see a demo store. You can now see here is the demo store. You will create a new account in the demo store. You will see the tabs Home, Report, Explore, Advertise, Configure, and here it is, one tab Admin. We will close this picture. Here is the new account of plus sign create account. Take a tour of your property. We will close this. My new account name, we will mention it Bitvero because we are doing it for our company Bitvero as an example. There are the three tabs. The first tab is Google is asking you to share the data with Google. This is your choice if you want to share your data with Google or not. This tab is optional. Benchmarking is by default, technical support by default, account specialist by default, and this is important. In 3 steps, you are done. We will do next. Now, tell the property name. Again, we will mention it Bitvero Digital Marketing. We will mention the time zone and the country as India because we are doing it for India. Time zone is automatically set. We'll mark the currency as INR, which is Indian rupees. In advanced options, you can have a look. Universal tag. Universal Analytics properties will stop collecting data starting 1st of July 2023. It is recommended that you create a Google Analytics 4 properties instead. See that? Now you'll have to do next. Actually, Google is providing you an update from their site that they are going to take some changes in the tagging properties, and that will be applicable from exactly after 1 year or 11 months. So you can hide that. We'll do next. Next, you need to check the industry in which you are working, not more, but only few industries. So our industry is related with internet and telecoms. So we will select this. Employees 11 to 100. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? You can check one or more than one. So in this case, we will select all except others. And now next. Select your country. Here you can select India. You will have to accept this agreement with Google. And now it's been created. You'll have to tell Google whether you are doing it for Android or iOS or web. So now in our case, it is for web, for website bitvero.in. So we'll mark Google accordingly. It is for web. Google is asking the website name, which is www.bitvero.in, and the stream name will be Bitvero Digital Marketing. And measuring page views, scrolls, outbound links, 3 more to create the stream. Here it is. Google is creating the stream for you. On the next stream, it is done. And now this is the measurement, stream ID, stream URL. All you have to do is the insert tag now. Tagging should be done. Look, Google is also saying that data collection isn't active for your website. If you installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. Now, Google is asking you to install data, add new on page tag, use existing on page tag. You have both the options. So if you are new to Tag Manager, you can actually install Tag Manager. And by the way, we already have Tag Manager installed, so we will use the existing property. But one thing to note is that, okay, if you are using a website like Wix or any other website builder, use the first option, global site tag. And if you are not using Wix and using WordPress or Joomla or any e-commerce store, use the Google Tag Manager. This is important. So we will use the Google Tag Manager. Thus, once the Google Tag Manager is installed properly, you can able to install analytics in your website. Search. Next, we will search Google Tag Manager. Tagmanager.google.com. This is Google Tag Manager. I have already installed, and we will create a new account setup named Bitvero. We'll mention the region as India because we are in India. There's an option share data anonymously to Google. If you want to share, you can put a tick on here. If not, then leave it. Container setup name bitvero.in. You have to mention your website name, and the target platform is web. It's not AMP server, iOS or Android. And now you are done. You have to create it. You have to agree to the terms and conditions by Google. Say yes. And here you go. The new property has been created, and this is the code which you will actually paste. Send this code to your web developer and ask your web developer to put this code, first code in the head portion and the next code in the body portion, and you are done. You will get all the analytics details, the account which you have created actually over there. This is the basic step, although there are further steps, advanced steps as well, but right now we are with the basic steps, and this is your main login. You can add as many properties, you can create as many properties and tags and start your analytics and join with them with analytics. And the next important thing is that there are many third-party tools available. Using those tools, you can actually have all that data which analytics provide in a more better format, in a more interactive format. And by the way, they also provide plethora of different metrics for you to help you understand comparisons, competitors, and insights, and whatever they Google normally provide the default information. And these third-party tools, for example, you can say Ahrefs, you can say SEMrush, you can say Moz, but they are all paid tools, and trust me, they works fine, but they are paid. So if at all you need a better presentation, a better from a layman's point of view, well, then you can have these tools. But as far as Google Analytics is concerned, that is primary and first, because even though you'll be going to have these tools, you'll be going to sign up with these tools, they need analytics, because without analytics they didn't work. So first and foremost is installing analytics on the website. Now, what exactly you need to ask with your website design company if they are not providing you Google Analytics? So you need to tell them that we really need Google Analytics. However, that depends upon the package you have selected with your website design company. If it's a comprehensive package, then of course they'll be going to provide you summary, reporting, details, even consultancy as well, even live consultancy. And however, again, I am saying that reiterating that actually depends upon the package you are selecting with them. And if that is an exhaustive package, you will have all the things included in that. But providing analytics and providing the origin code and embedding the analytics with the origin code is super important. And for those, obviously any website design company cannot start without doing this. So, and at all, if they haven't done it yet, then please leave that website company first and foremost, because they don't know what exactly they are doing. So that's something very, very important. So I hope you find a good deal of information in this and value in this video. If you really find it so, then you can like and share with your family and friends. Thank you very much for viewing and watching. We'll see you in the next video.